With your mouthwash, daddy back home now. I'm gonna take care of you. My little school. I'm just breathing all in my face. Done dollar full now. Done. Where you going? Where you going? Sit down. Where you going? Sit down. Where you going? You missed me, huh? I was gone 3 days. I know you missed me. You got all that coal in your eye. Wipe that coal out your eye, bro. I've been gone 3 days. You missed me, huh? I'm sorry I was gone so long. Daddy had to get that money. I had to go get that money. The day I come back from off the road, they lay up under me all day, bro. He gonna lay up under me all day, bro. I'm telling you. The first day I come back, he gonna lay up under me all day. When I go to sleep, he gonna sleep right next to that bed. He gonna lay up under the first day I come back, they be missing me, bro. He gonna lay up under me all day. Come on, school. You finna go get your teeth brushed. Come on, school. Come on. He don't want to go nowhere. You finna brush them teeth. You finna brush them teeth. How I get that riding tooth fixed? What I do about that? He gonna have to have surgery or pull it out, huh?
She gotta sedate him because
That's what making his breath stink.
some nice little white ones in here though. Just that one too.
Just that one that's riding.
It look like it got worse.
Hey, let me see. My dog got a rotten teeth. His teeth broke off when he was fighting the other dog.
I might be able to pull it on myself. Ooh, it's kind of dangling though. Hold on, let me see. No, I ain't gonna pull it. It's loose though.
It's loose? His teeth broke off when he was fighting the other dog.
Let me see.
Let me see. Ooh.
I'm so stupid.
He probably hurt.
Oh, boy.
Come on, Don. Bring your ass here. Come on. Come on. His teeth done broke off, bro. School teeth done broke off.
Yeah, she said she can pull it.
What the vet say? She can pull it?
Sedate him, but you know he got that breathing issue.
She gotta sedate him? That mean put him to sleep? But he got that breathing thing. I don't want to put him to sleep. My dog might not wake up, bro.
No, let me ask.
Call the vet right quick. I don't want to put him to sleep. I don't want to take that chance. Yeah, but they talking about they might have to sedate him. I don't want to put him to sleep. Something happen.
She might be in some that's what she said.
Call her right quick and ask her. Cause the other day when I did like this and rubbed his face, he did like that, like he jacked back. But I don't know if I want to put him to no sleep.
Hey, Doc, I'm sorry I called you so late. I was asking, remember I mentioned that tooth in school now?
She said that's like his wisdom tooth though. That's his long canine.
Have to sedate him. So we gotta see what's out there alternate way other than sedating him. He just scared about putting him to sleep for a little while. Right? They don't hold their mouth open like people, so I know.
Yeah, because I would have to cut into the gums a little bit and raise the gums and then kind of drill the tooth out some.
Yeah,
And
but
that's
that's a
going to be
canine.
painful for him if I did that while he was awake.
But if you sedate, is it for shit? What's the possibility he might not wake up?
Well, when you put a pet under anesthesia, it's always a possibility, but that's why we do pre-anesthetic blood work before the anesthesia, just to make sure he's healthy enough to undergo the anesthesia. And then for him, we were also going to do some x-rays of his chest because Angel had mentioned that he was, breathing a little funny. So
Yeah, he be breathing kind of funny.
just to make sure that he's healthy enough to undergo the anesthesia. But anytime you do put a dog under anesthesia, it is a risk.
It's a risk.
Yeah. But we do, monitor them while they're under anesthesia. We check their heart rate, their blood pressure, their respiration, make sure they're stable the whole time. We do have, emergency drugs on board if needed. Hopefully it doesn't come to that. I haven't had it come to that this far. But yeah, if I didn't feel comfortable putting them under anesthesia, then I wouldn't do it.
Yeah, because his breathing already, ever since he was a baby, like his breathing is kind of funny.
Yeah, so that's why I did want to do some x-rays on him just to make sure, his lungs and everything looks okay. And even his, throat and everything. With that breed, sometimes they can have, breathing difficulties normally because they have that smush face, so it's already difficult for them to breathe.
Yeah.
But I did just want to check and make sure nothing else was going on.
All right, I'll call you back when I make up my mind.
Okay.
All right.
All right.
Look, Dundada ready for me to get in the bed.
Okay.
Yep. Man, I don't know what to do, bro. I don't know what to do, bro. Scoob, it hurt bad. Scoob. It hurt bad, Scoob. You done? You done?
It should be good to go now. I had to, man, as you see, I had to go out there and clean the unit out there. I had a little bit of freon, but other than that, that was it. Did you see the video I sent you?
You want this for this room or?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. My kids are downstairs and they wasn't leaving. My stepkids.
Let me go take a picture. I'm gonna come now.
Appreciate you, big deal.
Hi, bro.
Appreciate you.
Hey! Hey!
I know he ain't get you this.
Yeah, you got me. He got me when I was walking away. He did exactly what he wanted.
Stop it. I'm finna stop letting you fucking out. Why you tried to bite him? Why the fuck you tried to bite him? Why the fuck? Come here. Bring your ass here. Why you tried to bite him? Why you tried to bite him? Huh? Don't get scared, now you pissing. You scared, now you pissing. Motherfucker tried to bite the air conditioner man, walked in my room. Air conditioner man just walked in my room, he tried to bite him. He not trying to do me nothing. He is not trying to do me nothing. You better, bruh. Fucking, bruh. Fucking too protective. Fuck. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Angel. Angel, come clean this piss up. Why you did that? Why you did that? Why did you do that? Why did you do that, bro? So he bit the pool man in his ass. Why you did that, bro? Angel, come get this up and bring me a bowl of water. Why did you do that? You better not do that no fucking more. Beat your ass. Is you crying? So that's your second time this fucking month. Say you try to bite my artist QBiz jump on my vet and his whole and go through my whole front windshield. They leave QBiz outside in front of the house. After nighttime, if you out in front of the house and you try to come to my door, they left QBiz outside with him. They say he tried to get QBiz jump on my vet and go through the whole front windshield. He know he done fucked up.
Silent terrorist.
He in trouble. You see that time?
Bro, when they right, bro. When company come over, we gotta lock them up, bro.
Everybody's a domestic terrorist at that time.
Yeah, bro. He damn near bit the air condition man just now, bro. When he walked in my room, bro. You already cost me my Corvette windshield. The nigga went through my whole front windshield. You know you done fucked up. And you ain't getting no more Ruth Chris. No Ruth Chris for you for 2 days. No lamb chops, no steak for you for 2 days. And you better not move. And get on your ass. You better stay there all the way till I get back. I wish you knew how to talk. I'll make you tell him I'm sorry. Oh, you ain't got to do nothing. I done fucked up. He gonna...